Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Today I am preparing a potato salad, or what we call it, a potato puree. So all you have to do is to prepare 1 kilogram of potatoes, peel off the skin and cut into small pieces and wash it and boil into the hot water, boiling water. And when it is already soft and tender, drain it and put in a salad bowl and mix it with half cup of fresh milk, 50 grams of butter, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and mix it together with the use of the hand mixer. Mix it in the salad bowl with the use of this hand mixer. I have here a hand mixer from Silvercrest. This is a product of Germany. Look, this is German product. So guys, then when you finish mixing your potato puree, prepare a serving plate like this, a little bit big serving plate, and fill on the top of the plate with the green salad, this one, and fill into the salad or the leaves the mixture of your potatoes and garnish it with boiled potatoes and cut it like this, and cut tomatoes and decorate it, alternate like this, tomatoes, eggs, cucumber, and decorate it all around the serving plates. And here I cut out the paprika like umbrella type, and I fix with one toothpick and one piece of olives, and on the side I also decorate it with olives. And on the top of this tomato puree, potato puree, I use this grated cheese and sprinkle this on the top to add beauty and add taste to the potato salad or potato puree, and also add some decoration with some cuttings of red paprika. And this is a very easy salad, potato salad. You can serve this one together with a grilled meat, fish, fried chicken, or anything. So you can prepare this one and you can serve this anytime of the day. And this is good for the health. This is a diet food also if you want to lose your weight. So you can prepare this kind of potato salad, or what we call it, potato puree. So guys, if you like this salad, just give a thumbs up and please leave a comment to improve my salad next time, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. To all of my subscribers, thank you very much for all your support. I have already gained more than 3,000 subscribers. Without you, I will not be successful in my YouTube. So guys, thank you once again, and see you again in my next vlog. Bon appetit and Dankeschön. Maraming salamat. Let's eat together this potato salad. This is my